Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create Tally. First, launch the Tally application on your system. Once open, you'll see the Company Info menu. From there, select the Create Company option. This is your first step to setting up your accounting environment. You'll then be prompted to enter crucial details such as your company's name, mailing address, and financial year start date. Ensure all information is accurate for proper record keeping. This foundational step takes just a few moments. After entering basic company information, you'll define your financial year and book's beginning dates. These are critical for accurate financial reporting. Next, select your base currency symbol like the dollar sign and its formal name such as Indian rupee or US dollar. You can also enable security controls and Tally Vault for enhanced data protection, adding an extra layer of security to your financial records. This ensures your sensitive information remains confidential and secure. With your company set up, it's time to create ledgers. Navigate to Accounts Info and select Ledgers to create accounts for sales, purchases, expenses, and more. Once ledgers are ready, you can begin entering daily transactions using vouchers. Tally offers several voucher types, including payment, receipt, and journal. Accurately select the correct ledger and enter the precise amount for each transaction to maintain perfect financial records. Tally provides powerful reporting features to give you insights into your business. You can generate essential financial statements such as the balance sheet and profit and loss account with just a few clicks. The display menu allows you to view detailed reports like the trial balance and day book. Remember to regularly back up your Tally data to an external drive or cloud service. This crucial step safeguards your valuable financial information against unforeseen data loss, ensuring business continuity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.